Alright, there's gonna be another elevator here at the Arts Building. And we got a Westinghouse.
These were replaced by ERM.
Obviously. Oh, epic dinner bell. Looks like it only goes down to the parking level. Wow, there's lots of dinner bells.
Yeah.
Very dinner bell happy.
It was broken last time I was here. I was pleasantly surprised when they fixed it. I think this is from 1973. Or 1983.
I'd say 1983.
Yeah. The record said 1980 something. I couldn't remember which one was which.
Lots of wood grain.
Alright, let's listen to the motor and the dinner bells. No dinner bell. Let me see if I can get it to work.
When the Westing was closed, Westing will close.
Yeah, it doesn't want to ding for some reason now.
Oh man. If I'm not happy that there's 3 people in it.
Yeah. Let me look at the call button out here real quick. Also an original AE call button.
This thing really likes to close on us.
Yeah.
As Westies tend to do.
Oh yeah.
Very epic motor too. Let me see if I can get it to ding again.
I want to close this.
I don't think it wants to ding anymore. Nope.
Damn.
Well, at least we got it dinging several times on camera.
The Westie will only ding when it wants to.
And it will also close when it wants to as well.
Definitely.
But, well, that'll be it.